Hi, what are your names?
Jasper.
Jason.
And nice. All right.
Hi.
So, and what robot do we have here?
This is a
Car.
car.
Yeah.
It's a car.
Bob the Boss.
All right. Okay. And now we have an obstacle course here. So, what happens if you hit the left button?
It does the obstacle using tank turns.
All right. Can we see the left tank turns in action? All right. And then now, what happens if we press the right button?
It does pivot turns, and it
Alright.
doesn't like move forward as much.
Okay. Let's see that in action. All right. So, which one uses two motors?
Pivot.
And which one uses tank? How many does tank use?
One.
One. Thank you.